Fine. How about you? I'm fine too. How's your feeling today? Good. Are you ready to start our lesson today? Yes. Yes. Thank you. Before we start our lesson today, please head of class or head of perfect my start with a prayer. Amen. So, who is absent today? Saras. Saparas, ya. Saparas. Okay, only one? So, what have you learned in previous meeting in Wednesday? In context, yeah. What activities did you learn in the context last meeting? Writing the context? Yes, writing the context. Okay, today our meeting will discuss about the context again, but in here we will learn about reading the context, reading a personality context. Do you know about personality context before? Pengalaman pribadi? Cerita tentang pengalaman pribadi ya. So, now in the last meeting we have discussed about the context in general. So today we will discuss about personality context. So, the benefit of personality context, you can retell your past experience. Yeah, about let's say holiday in Jogja or libur lebaran or something like that. So you can inform and entertain to the readers or your friends. Yeah. In our learning objectives today, we will understand the definition of social function of the context and finding explicit information in the context through the careful reading. So we know we will reading about text. The context and identifying the social function, the structure and language features of the context about personal experience. I will ask you about your 8th holiday or libur lebaran. Where did you go on your 8th holiday or libur lebaran? In past few weeks. Go to kampung or homecoming, yeah. Where exactly your kampung is? Singaparna. Okay, I know Singaparna. Singaparna is like in the west of Tasikmalaya city, yeah. Like 30 minutes before. What did you do there? What did you do there? Eating what? Very good. Eating opor. How was your feeling? So happy, okay, very good. And related to our lesson today, we will learn about personality context about libur lebaran. Yeah. Mr. will show you about the pictures here. In the top left, you see somebody ride in bus, and it's called homecoming or mudik. So what the picture, the rest of nastar, okay, nastar cookies. This forgiveness ritual. Forgiveness ritual. Next one? Nastar cookies. Oh, sorry. Nastar cookies. This one? Prayer. This one? So what exactly is personality context? Anyone know? Text word, share, detail. Very good, personal experience. Very good. Okay. Before we learn what personality context is, let's read the following text. So, Mr. will share to you some text here. Mr. will share you about a text. So I will say the name. You will come forward here. Now we will read together about my diary. Or anyone please read the text alone. writing, and that tells about writers' own experience or events that happened in the past. Ya, jadi menceritakan kembali tentang pengalaman dia dan peristiwa-peristiwa apa yang terjadi di waktu lampau atau pengalaman dia ketika telah melakukan sesuatu, ya, menggunakan subject first person point atau like I or we. Jadi dengan pandangan dia pertama, ya, I or we. So, what is the social function of personality context? To retell past experience, ya, to retell past experience, or to entertain the readers about our story. So, yeah, there are two social functions. The first one is give information, to retell personal experience to the reader. The second one is entertain, amuse the reader with interesting or memorable stories. Structure of personality context. First one is orientation. Second one is events. The last is reorientation. Ulang lagi tadi apa pertama? Orientation, events, and reorientation. Let's see our text my and diary. What is the social function of the my and diary? First one, to share personal experience about celebrating and with family. Okay, and the orientation. Yeah, next stage. Yeah. So what is the orientation? Let's take a look of the text. Class 8, my family and I had joyful celebration. Yeah, that's correct. So the orientation is last 8, my family and I had a joyful celebration. And the events, what's the event? Where are the events? Early in the morning, we went to the mosque. Yes. Jadi setelah dari orientation atau last 8, setelah kalimat last 8 itu, jadi setelahnya semuanya adalah events, ya. So the following sentence is describing about events. And the last, where is the reorientation? Which sentence? Kalimat mana? Reorientationnya di mana? Ada yang tahu? Very good. Celebration remind us. So the last sentence is reorientation. Okay, yeah. The next is language feature. Jadi first using simple past tense, menggunakan simple past tense. Contohnya subject verb 2, subject plus be complement. I was very happy. There were students. The mosque was crowded. Maybe we will play some breaking, yeah. So whenever Mr. say number 1, you will stand up, yeah. And number 2, you will sit down. Remember, yeah? Mr. will read about my diary. So whenever in the text, when Mr. reading say like 1, you will stand up, and say 2, you will sit down. And if Mr. say number 5, you will jump, yeah? 1 stand up, 2 sit down, 5 jump. And number 7, raise your hand. Number 8, lower your hand. My diary, last 8, my family and I had a joyful celebration. 1. Please sit down. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now join to your group. Ayo. Oh, yeah. Okay, now please join to your group. Based on your text, yeah, based on your text, what you have got. The rule is whenever teams who solve the question pass, the first one will be the winner. The more point teams will get, they will be the winner. Yeah? Jadi siapa yang paling cepat dan siapa yang paling banyak poinnya. You can read the text ya. If the script is too small in your phone, you can read by the printed text. Kalian bisa baca dari teksnya kalau misalkan di layar HP terlalu kecil. So in the right side, Hannah, the left side is cat. Adverb of time, kata keterangan waktu. Udah semuanya. Ini ada belum? Oh, you can still counting ya. You will repeat for Hannah first ya. Okay, Hannah. So, what is the social function of the text on your text? Okay, very good. And the second one, which sentence? One. Okay, very good. And for group cat, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please read the question and the option point. The option. Number one. What is the social function? A. B. That's very good from we'll play games again, but this is individual ya. It is the last game, individual. Please do not look into your phone, into your phone, and make sure you do on your best. Jadi gamenya tentang lomba ya, lomba lari ya. Jadi di HP kalian nanti ada lomba lari. The question is based on your name diary. The text is based in my diary. The context. Number one is Hasna, number two is Rafa, number three is Danu. Number three. Okay, everyone, please attention. Coba perhatikan ke depan ya. Perhatikan ke depan dulu jawabannya. So, what have you learned in this meeting? What have you learned? Personality context. Personality context. What is structure of personality context? Indonesia. That's very good. So, Mr. We will share questionnaire to your group later. In our lesson today, which most you like? Kegiatan apa yang paling kamu sukai tadi? Quizzes game ya. In the next meeting, we will discuss about descriptive text. So, make sure you bring your books ya in the next meeting. So the next meeting, the next few meetings, you will have some exam ya. I hope that you will pass the exam. Please, we have a best with our prayer. Amin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.